ladies and gentlemen, it's Delta's pleasure to welcome to Atlanta's Hartsfield Jackson International Airport. The local time in Atlanta is 8:50 p.m. I'm going to ask that everyone please remain seated with your seatbelt security fastened, leaving all of your carrying items stowed until the captain has parked the aircraft at the gate and the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off. That will be your indication that it's okay to get up and move around in the cabin. Again, we do ask that you please use caution when you open the overhead bins, as the items do move around during the flight and they can fall out, not only hurting you, but the people around you as well. At this time, you're certainly welcome to use your mobile phones and other handheld electronic devices. We do kindly ask that laptop computers remain in their off position until you're inside the terminal area. Before you leave the aircraft this evening, folks, do us a really big favor. Take just that moment to look around the area where you're sitting.